Hi, I'm Dennis, and I'm gonna present the virtual design developed for the private sector of the food industry in the Ecuadorian market. It focuses on the phases described in the engineering design book by George Dieter, in which it is proposed to follow a series of steps in order to get success in this process. We have three phases. First of all, we have conceptual design, embodiment design, and detail design. Additional, we propose the marketing. For conceptual design, it starts by defining the problem. Nowadays, the food industry, especially the Mexican restaurants that have emerged in the country, continue to process their main raw material to obtain tortillas by hand. So we identified a market niche for a machine that produces 1,000 high-quality tortillas per hour using standards for food safety and dimensional standardization. Gather information. It starts doing market research. The results show that several Mexican food establishments still prepare their tortillas by hand. For kind of model, we got quality criteria to consider in the generation of the prototypes. They are food safety, machine dimensions, easy drive, stocking capacity, maintenance service, and operating modes. Finally, for the quality function deployment, three characteristics of vital importance were obtained as a result to be considered during the design of the prototype. First, diameter, thickness, and weight using the Mexican standard. Second, cooking temperature. It has to be about 290 Celsius degrees. And the last one, apply standards and norms for designing the prototypes. For the concept generation, the morphological matrix was implemented based on the quality characteristics obtained through the voice of the customer, and 5 modules were the result. The first module is control. After that, we have the cutting system, then the collection and packaging module. The next one is cooking or pre-cooking subsystem, and finally, the processing data module. As a result of this step, we got 5 concepts to satisfy the needs of the client. In the evaluation of concepts, the Pug chart using the relative weight obtained in the quality function deployment was used, and the best was the concept number 1, which is presented on the screen. Then, in the embodiment design, the first step is product architecture. In this step, we define the subsystem or modules, and these are rolling and cutting subsystem, power transmission, cooking and transporting, control structure, and gas piping. They are represented on the illustration. Next step is configuration design. In this case, we use SolidWorks for modeling and simulation of the elements. We use CES EduPack and ASB charts in order to get the best material for the application, and also we have the SAB 2000 for simulation of the structure. Finally, we got the marketing step. A poster was designed in order to give important information about the machine for potential customers. We know that not all the people has a laptop or any software for designing every time, so a QR code was created for linking with the 3D model created and upload on the net. This model can be checked for everyone, and it shows the most important or relevant characteristics of the system anytime, anywhere. Thanks.